The majority of individuals lack the ability to learn English. Not because it's too difficult, but because they consistently make the same errors. Mistake number 1. Waiting for the right occasion. I'll start tomorrow, they say. I don't have time today. However, what is the reality? Never does tomorrow come. Start working immediately. Even 5 minutes a day is crucial. Mistake number 2. Concentrating solely on grammar. Although grammar is critical, practice is the key to fluency, not perfection. Every day you should read, write, listen, and speak. Mistake number 3. Fear of making mistakes. Everybody makes errors. Native speakers also do. Errors are a necessary part of growth. Making mistakes is a sign of learning. Mistake number 4. Comparing ourselves to others. Others catch things more quickly, but some are slower. Your path is different. Prioritize your own progress over theirs. How can you win, then? Tip number 1. Talk out loud, even to yourself. Tip number 2. Don't only learn words, learn sentences. Tip number 3. Listen to English language music, films, and literature. Tip number 4. Compose a short daily English diary. Tip number 5. Appreciate small successes. Keep in mind that learning English is not about being flawless. It's all about commitment. Talent is always matched by consistency. You're capable. You can gain confidence in yourself. You're capable of winning. If this was useful to you, please continue to like, share, and subscribe to the English Academy so that other students can succeed and meet their English language targets.